2 straight weeks of rain. The Mushroom Kingdom is gonna float away if this doesn't stop soon.
Yeah, but the storm outside the house is nothing compared to the one inside.
Mario, turn that racket back down. Can't you see I'm trying to read?
Well, I want to listen to music. This record's hot. Huh?
There, now it's even hotter.
That was my favorite record.
Well, serves you right for the time you busted my favorite wrench.
Oh, I hate it when you do that.
Hey, guys, chill out, will ya? It's being cooped up that's making you crazy.
Toad's right. Whatever happened to Super Mario Brotherly Love?
Brothers are all good for nothing.
Yeah, well, my brother certainly is.
As a matter of fact, I wish I didn't even have a brother.
Oh, yeah? Well, then consider yourself debrotherized. Yeah, well, farewell, ex-brother.
Luigi, it's really wet out there. You better take your frog suit.
Hey, forget it.
Somebody better go after Luigi.
Yeah, it's not a fit night out for man nor mushroom.
I guess I'll have to go. He is my brother. Even if that hammerhead can be more trouble than a flooded basement.
Mario, take your frog suit.
Looks like my brilliant new invention, the Power Shower, is a super colossal success! I make it rain on the surface of the Mushroom Kingdom. And flush out the gold coins floating in the underground pipe world, so I can collect them here in this underground dungeon. Isn't that rich? Whoa!
Hey, Smarty Pants, your power shower sprung a leak. Well, don't just stand there, Cookie. Fix it!
I'm a mad genius, not a plumber.
Then we'll have to coop nap a pipe patching expert. Give me one of the Mario Brothers.
There you are, you former brother. I've been looking all over for you.
Oh, yeah? And who asked you, faucet face?
Oh, how many times do I have to tell you not to do that?
I've got the Mario Brothers on the Koopa-scope, King Dad. How should we decide which one to coop nap? Flip a gold coin?
Don't be ridiculous, Cookie. We'll choose the scientific way. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I coop, you, Mario.
Say no more, Koopa-doopa Dad. Just watch me do my nasty stuff. I'll catch that faucet face with another of my nifty gizmos, the plumber pole.
Oh, yeah? You don't even know enough to wear a frog suit out in the wet.
I don't need a frog suit.
Hey, where'd this hook and line come from? It's not fishing season.
Now, a big jerk for that big plumber jerk.
Oh!
Jeez, Mario's been caught like a catfish, and he's getting pulled into a warp zone.
Wow! Wow! Uh-oh, a pipe whirl. I'm going down the drain. Wow! Whoa! Whoa!
It worked, my evil daddy-o! Mario's our prisoner!
Cookie, you're so bad. I'm proud to be your dad.
Looks like I'm plumber out of luck. Fix your own leaky plumbing, you Koopa crackpot! I'll never help you!
Wanna bet, Pipe Squeak?
We have the power to make you do anything we want, thanks to my latest genius invention, the Lame Brainer.
Nice try, Koopa, but it's gonna take a lot more than this silly party hat to make me... Coop Masters, your wish is my command.
I'm so smart. Oh, he's Plumber's putty in our hands.
Quit patting yourself on the back, Cookie. Put him to the ultimate test.
Mario, here's a tasty, delicious, and all-around scrumptious bowl of pasta.
I'm starving.
But Mario, you hate pasta.
I hate pasta. Yuck.
Coop-tastic. Now make him fix that leak before we're up to our snouts in water. Oh, I hate it when my Tootsie Wootsies get wet.
Looks like I'm gonna have to try and save that bilge-brained brother of mine. Him and his dumb advice about wearing a frog suit!
I say yes, you say no.
I like rain, you like snow.
It's one of the wonders life's made of. Some folks call it brotherly love.
I feel happy. You feel sad.
I stay cool when you get mad.
It's one of the wonders life's made of. Some folks call it brotherly love. We call it brotherly love.
Well, that ought to hold those fish breath foes. Now to rescue Mario.
There, my Coop Masters. The leak in the power shower is fixed.
It's Luigi. What's that clod-clearing clodhopper doing here?
Hey, you two rancid reptiles! What have you done to my brother?
We've turned him into our slave, thanks to my Super Cooper invention.
And here's the proof. Mario, smash, crush, pound, destroy that frog-faced brother of yours.
Yes, Coop Master.
Hey, Mario, stop! Don't you know who I am? It's Luigi!
Smash, crush, pound, destroy.
Mamma mia, somehow I gotta make Mario remember I'm his brother! Mario, think of all the fun we had as kids! All the drains we unclogged! Remember the time you lost your favorite screwdriver and I gave you one of mine?
I'll get that frog.
Oh boy, looks like I'm gonna have to try another approach.
Ooh, I hate it when you do that.
Hey, are you all right, brother?
Fine as a new faucet. Thanks to you, brother. Glad to see you took my advice about wearing a frog suit. Cookie, give old Koopa a coop where it counts.
Your wish is my command, Mario Masters.
Cookie, what are you doing? I'm your dear old King Dad. Ah! Yeah! Whoa!
Smash, crush, pound, destroy.
Whoa!
Hey, nice going, brother!
Same to you, brother.
to you, Mario and Luigi. The power shower has been dismantled, and all the gold coins have been returned to the pipe world where they belong.
Way to go, Plumber dudes!
Yeah, and best of all, Mario and I have agreed to never fight again.
That's right. And besides, that argument was all my fault.
Well, I beg your pardon, brother, but I think the argument was all my fault.
No, brother, it was all mine.
I insist it was all my fault, brother.
Well, I insist it was all mine, brother.
Oh, brother!
Brothers. You can't live with them, you can't live without them.
Oh, it's gonna get her, Mario. I can't look. Huh?
If I'd known you were gonna get this excited, I'd have never brought this real-world TV into the Mushroom Kingdom.
Yeesh, don't panic, lady. Call Mighty Plumber.
I will call Mighty Plumber. Help me, Mighty Plumber, please.
We will return to the adventures of Mighty Plumber after these messages. Gosh, Mario, do you think Mighty Plumber will save the lady from the monster?
Count on it, Luigi. Our hero always gets his clog.
Hey, look! King Dad's doing aerobic exercises to get in shape for more madness! Great idea!
Knock it off, knuckleheads. I'm not doing exercises. I'm having a temper tantrum.
Hey, King Pop! What are we having a tantrum about?
Because I just found the map I need to rob the royal coin treasury of Pipeland. And every time I try to steal something, the Mario brothers stop me. I gotta come up with a plan to get rid of them.
King Dad! King Dad! Come quick and see what Chi-Chi's doing!
Why buy toys in a store when you can cheat and zap them out of the TV?
How can I come up with a brilliant plan to get rid of the Mario brothers with all this going on?
And now back to the adventures of Mighty Plumber.
Mighty Plumber to the rescue! Faster than a speeding plunger. More powerful than a pipe wrench. Able to snag disgusting drain clogs with a flick of the wrist.
My hero.
Mighty Plumber. That's it. I'll trick him into sending the Mario brothers right down the drain.
Yeah!
Mighty Plumber, have I got a job for you?
You'll have to make an appointment. I have a leaky kitchen to fix.
Ah, she can wait. This is an emergency. Two evil little plumbers are trying to steal Pipeland's coin treasury. You gotta help me bring the gold coins back to my castle, where they'll be safe from those thieves.
Have no fear. Mighty Plumber will teach them that grime never pays.
Oh, meatballs! The TV's on the blink!
Oh, no! We're gonna miss the part where Mighty Plumber saves the lady from the flooding kitchen. Yeesh! Whoa!
Robbing Pipeline Treasury. Dare you to stop me. Your enemy, King Koopa.
Ooh, this is terrible.
Right. We can't let King Koopa cop all those gold coins.
No, I mean missing the rest of this week's Mighty Plumber adventure.
But what we did see was an inspiration. Now we can do our best to stop Koopa, just like Mighty Plumber would.
This is the entrance to the underground maze of pipes, where the treasury is hidden. Can you get it open?
Through muck, sweat, and slime, Mighty Plumber does it with no overtime.
think I'll wait outside. Boy, have I got Mighty Plumber conned. I wonder what I'll buy with all those gold coins. An ocean liner, a Cooper DeVille.
I'm afraid all your plans have just hit a clog.
Whoa!
Hey!
Tell that to my new partner. Oh, Mighty Plumber, those nasty thieving plumbers are here.
Mighty Plumber!
Whoa! Hey, my idol! Oh, wow! He's here in person! Hey, can I have your autograph?
Traitor!
If you're busy, I can wait.
You've disgraced our profession.
Whoa!
They're crooks, Mighty Plumber. Get 'em!
Mighty Plumber, wait! You're our hero! We brought a TV set from Brooklyn so we could watch your show!
Whoa! Whoa! A plumber snake!
Aim it up there!
Mighty Plumber fell for my phony story. This is going great. Oh!
I've snagged them this time.
Oh! Quit gaping. We gotta find the pipeline treasury and move the coins to my castle before these two can steal them.
Hey, we've got to find Mighty Plumber and make him see his mistake.
Koopa's fire message said he was gonna rob the treasury. I bet that's where he's taking Mighty Plumber right now.
Yeah, but how do we know which way to go?
Simple as pizza pie. Eeny, meeny, miny, Mario! Come on, Luigi!
The treasury vault can't be much further. I better check the map.
Well, we can't let Mighty Plumber steal the treasury. They'll put him in jail. They'll cancel his TV show.
He can't steal it if we get it first. All you gotta do is grab Koopa's map.
Are you sure your plan will work?
Trust me.
Come on! I dare you, yeah, Venus Firetop! And you promised this was a safe idea? Whoa! Whoops! Yo! Oh! Sorry to drop in like this. I gotta run!
Yow! Get him, Mighty Plumber! He stole my map!
Yo!
I'll take that!
Luigi's in trouble.
Oh! Whoa! You may have the plunger, but I got the map! Oh!
You don't have it anymore.
Give me that map!
Riding down the pipe, we're doing 75. Racing with the rapids, trying to survive. Running to be rescued from an enemy attack. Danger's right ahead of us, so don't look back. Chill out, keep your cool. Super Plumber is nobody's fool. Chill out, when the going gets tough. Super Plumber, don't sit stuck. Whatever lies ahead, we'll get through it. Anybody can. Super Plumber, chill out, keep your cool. Super Plumber is nobody's fool. Chill out, when the going gets tough. Super Plumber knows his stuff. Chill out, just keep your cool. The Super Plumber knows his stuff.
Look, Plumber Prince and Koopa Prince. Come on.
There it is! The Pipeline Treasury Vault! Okay, big guy, break down the door! At last, all the gold coins in Pipeline are mine!
We've sprung a leak!
That's your problem. Those little plumbers aren't the thieves. I am.
Hey, come back here!
We tried to tell you, big guy.
I let that slimy reptile trick me. I'm a disgrace to the plumbing profession.
No, you're not. You're our hero. You taught us everything we know.
Yeah, like the old pipe battering ram trick. It's one of our favorites.
She's gonna blow!
Okay, fellow drain surgeons, we have a job to do.
The pipe war. I'm home free.
Not quite, Koopa.
Yikes.
Ah!
That's what you think, Sink Fink.
He got away.
Come on, Luigi. Let's make Koopa's escape a real washout.
I got it. I got it.
Hey, no fair! Put me down!
Not until you use your wand to put Mighty Plumber back in the TV set.
Okay. Don't be such a nag.
What about the Pipeland Treasury?
We'll put it where it belongs. You gotta get back on TV and save that lady in the kitchen.
Do your thing, Cheatsy. Just in case you're thinking of taking Mighty Plumber off the air again.
Go, Mighty Plumber! Go!
Hey, can we pick heroes or what?